Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can set up Tidio. In order to do so, here we are at Tidio.com. And what is Tidio all about? Well, you can accelerate your growth with AI customer service. Answer up to 70% of customer inquiries without human intervention. Convert more leads, provide stellar support, and supercharge your revenue using our game-changing AI-driven customer service solution. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click on Start for Free. And once you do that, then you will be taken to the sign up page where you can enter in your name and email and all pertinent information in order to set up your account. Once you have that set up, then you're going to be brought to the initial screen here where it's going to ask you a variety of questions like things like your name here. And you can see then that it's going to ask what department we're in. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly select our options and whatever it is that is pertinent to your position. And then you're just going to need to click through all of these. And you can see that we have a few questions here that we are needing to answer. You can see also that it's going to ask you, what is your main goal for using Tidio? Generating leads, configuring ticketing system, offering live support, automate my support system with AI agent, or increase sales. So I'm going to go ahead and select offer live support. We'll say here, email. Let's go. And that's going to bring us into Tidio, where now we have a few options to consider. So basically what you want to do is you want to finalize your Tidio setup and complete the onboarding. So if we just click on that, then we can do that. Otherwise, we can also find that option here. If we click on this light bulb here, then you can see that we have these options here. We can also see the full list. But let's go ahead and just select here where it says complete onboarding. And so we have a few things we need to do. First, we need to install Tidio on our website, and we can just click here in order to install the Tidio chat. We could start collecting our leads with flows. And so if we click on that, then we can edit our flows. We can discover more lead generation strategies. We can discover more flows by clicking here, and we can take a tour around our inbox. So prepare your first visitor message, discover essential features, and learn how to manage incoming messages efficiently. So we can go ahead and click on take a tour and go through that as well. Also, we have a few other options here to consider. We can connect our mailbox, connect Instagram, connect Facebook, WhatsApp. We can install the mobile app, and of course we can install the desktop app as well. So that will give you an idea of how you can get started with Tidio. And also, if you check in the description, we do have a link there. If you want to use Tidio, if it does sound like a good solution for you, then you can go ahead and click on that. And you would also be helping us out by doing that. We would certainly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.